So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can sell to the public with your wholesale license. So just to give you some background, my name is Caleb and I first started with my wholesale dealer license, and I used this license to build connections at the dealer only auction, which allowed me to get my retail dealer license as a representative under somebody else's license when I first got started. Now I have my own independent retail license. So I'm going to explain how to sell to the public with a wholesale dealer license. This is probably the most seamless way to get started with your dealer license, especially your own independent dealer license. And then you have to do. Okay, before we get started, I do want to let you know that you are able to get your dealer license through a program that I created over a year ago, and we now have 957 active members where you're able to get your dealer license, start buying cars from a dealer-only auction, buying and selling unlimited cars. As you can see, we got dealer plates right here, people purchasing vehicles on the daily, and also receiving their dealer plates, wholesale license, retail license, and also becoming a dealer representative. As you can see right here, there is a bunch of money, plates, and vehicles also coming through as well. And then if we go through here to the classroom tab, you'll see a whole bunch of resources where you're able to maximize getting your dealer license and becoming an independent car dealer. We have credit repair, we have unlimited Carfax reports, temp tags, reassignments, floor plans, everything you need all in one place. So if you're ready to go ahead and get started, go ahead and subscribe, like this video. And if you have any questions at all, message me on Instagram. And if you're ready to get started right now, it'll be the top link in my bio. Maybe one extra step to be able to go sell directly to the public. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Pretty much what you're gonna wanna do is find a retail license partnership. Actually, let me just take this all the way down so I don't mess up the writing. So what you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and find a retail license partnership. This is very important because a retail license partnership will allow you to start doing business with a retail license so you could go ahead and sell vehicles on consignment to the public. So you're gonna find somebody, you'll go to the auction, you'll go buy a car, you'll walk up to somebody that looks like you, same skin color, or just ask a question, tell a joke. Find something in common. You guys bidding on the same car and you're like, oh shoot, I was bidding on that same car, man. Where's your dealership at? Small talk. You're like, hey, I have a wholesale license. If I want to sell it to the public, can I work with you? That's the easiest way for you to get started with your retail license partnership. I also have retail license partnerships inside my school community. So if you want to be able to sell to the public, go ahead and let me know. So the first thing is partner up with a retail license. The next step is gain access to a reassignment form. A reassignment form is what will allow you to bypass having that wholesale license, not being able to sell to the public, and then in turn being able to sell to the public. So you're gonna need that reassignment form. So when you sell a vehicle, you're gonna need a bill of sale, title, and also a reassignment from a retail dealership. So you're gonna be technically selling the vehicle on consignment through that retail dealership. So you're not selling the vehicle under your independent wholesale license directly to the public. That retail license is selling it directly to the public. That's why we call it, you're selling the vehicle on consignment. I'll break it down to you. Think about when people have a bunch of Jordans or Nikes and they take it to a sneaker store. That sneaker store will go ahead and sell that shoe on a consignment. You're just using their brick and mortar setup and they charge you a fee for selling that shoe on consignment. A lot of places do that. A lot of sneaker resellers or reselling in general, they do that. So this is the breakdown for it. Your wholesale license will transfer the vehicle to the retail license, and then that retail license will sell it directly to the public. That's how you're able to sell with a wholesale license to the public. So the wholesale license will go ahead and sell it to the retail license using a reassignment. That reassignment in turn then will be sold to the public. You'll be able to use that reassignment and sell directly to the public. I give a more in-depth breakdown actually using reassignments inside my school community. So if you have any questions on how you can make this work, don't be afraid to ask. Go ahead and let me know. Thank you for watching this video.